Welcome back to the channel. So in today's DIY video, I'm going to show you how to install these LEDMO LED strip lights underneath the counter of your bar top or your island for a cool lighting effect. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I love to film unboxing videos of cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. If I ever go anywhere cool, I'm definitely going to film a travel vlog about it. If I learn anything new in Adobe Premiere Elements, I'll film a tutorial and put it on the channel here. And of course, if I have any DIY projects around the house, usually assembling IKEA furniture, I'll put them on the channel here too. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So let's get into today's video. If you're bored at home like me and looking for things to do, and you have a counter or an island or a bar top, you can go on Amazon and pick up these strip lights, and I'm going to show you today how to install them for a cool effect underneath your countertop. So I just happen to have these laying around the house, but I will definitely put some links in the description below that will take you to Amazon where you can grab a set of these lights, probably have them delivered in less than a week, and you too can add a cool lighting effect to your counter. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is unpackage these. So there are a lot of different variations of the LED strip light. You can get RGB, which is multicolored. You can get warm white, you can get bright white. These happen to be a warm white, I believe, that I had previously used for under cabinet lighting. So funny now, they're going to be used for under counter lighting. But let's get into the box here and I'll show you what's inside these ones. So basically you have your transformer, you have your power cable, and you have your LED strip lights. So our first step is to unravel the strip lights. And you can see this is the power cable that's attached to one end all ready for you. It's done. So we will unravel these. And I believe this is 16 feet. And you can actually see on the LED lights, it's marked where you're supposed to cut them. So make sure you pay attention to that. And we are going to measure ours out, actually putting them under the counter that I'm sitting at right now. So the first step's an easy one. You just want to measure the length of the countertop on where you want to install your LED lights. Once you have that measurement, you're going to take your LED strip light and you're going to cut it where it is indicated on the actual strip. So once you have your LED strip cut to length, the next step is to peel back the backing that is on the two-sided tape on the back of the strip and install them. And where I like to put them is most countertops, whether they are laminate or granite, will usually have a lip on the countertop, as you can see right here. So using this lip, we're actually going to go in behind the lip and just up underneath. So let's get started with our installation. So now that we've got this started, we're going to continue it down the rest of the way of the countertop. And the final step is to plug in your transformer. So there you have it, a real easy way to add a cool lighting effect under the countertop of your kitchen, bar, or island. Thanks so much for watching today. If you like this video, make sure you head down below, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.